Welcome to the New Horizon Residences, your dream home coupled with top-notch amenities where your family is always our priority. Built on a 3-hectare exclusive property, Horizon Residences Phase 2 is a low-density neighborhood. Sophistication and comfort awaits you. Applying modern tropical architecture, the house design accentuates nature and greenery. Sleek and linear elements define the modern look of the houses. As one of the rapidly progressing cities in the north, Pampanga is recognized as one of the best property investments in the Philippines. So if you're looking for a perfect place to call home, Horizon Residences Phase 2 Pampanga is the best address for your family.